There's Fools and Horses.
Chatsworth House, Chesterfield. We're about to see Chatsworth House, one of the biggest, oldest stately homes in England. With access to the house, and you can see the paintings, tapestries and everything that's in there. Okay. From there we can go up to the greenhouses and the vinery, and what we can show you there with the plants and everything that they're growing. Okay, we can then go up to the cascade. This is the largest man-made unpumped waterfall in Britain. Okay, from there down into these gardens here, more really nice scenery and flowers and shit. You've got the maze, okay, and then you've got this area here. So we can walk anywhere around this.
We're going to have a look at Chatsworth. It's just been restored actually. It's on a massive project. The original house is in the Domesday Book. Like hundreds and hundreds of years old. The new house that you see now was built in like the 15th century. It's considered the most stunning country house in England and the most historic, and it wasn't destroyed in the war and most of the were.
Yeah. The seat of the Duke of Devonshire, the Chatsworth House has belonged to the Cavendish family since 1549. Chatsworth House holds major collections of paintings, furniture, Old Master drawings, neoclassical sculptures, and books.
The Vatican.
The painted hall with murals was completed in 1694 by Louis Laguiore. It is estimated that more than 1 million people use the estate in some way every year. The estate has its own fire brigade.
If you bend down, you can get yourself in the mirror with us. Yeah. Oh,
that's cool.
That guy's awesome. He told me that.
Stunning. Oh, this place is amazing.
The ceiling of the Great Staircase was painted by Antonio Verrio in 1691, depicting the triumph of Cybele. The house is 3 stories tall and has over 120 rooms, but only 30 rooms are open to the public.
are the only visibly remaining parts of Elizabethan.
Oh, that's so soft. That's good there. It's like playing with water.
Sorry? Your rucksack can you wear in the front, please? Yeah. Just in case turn around some of the objects get knocked off.
Oh, I see. Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Oh. So in those houses, those days, you went from room to room to room to room because there was no corridor. So you had to go back on yourself. If you wanted to go back, you had to go back. So this room's got 4 doors at either corner. This is all the stuff they found while restoring this.
Chatsworth house. Just got finished doing it. I had some doubts coming in. I just didn't think it would be that cool, but boy was I wrong. It is exceptional. Everything took so much time, so much effort. A lot of it reminds me of the Vatican. A lot of the stuff in there is just super detailed, from the ceiling to the floors to just everything in there. Highly suggest.
Hello.
The cascade is a set of stone steps over which water flows from the fountains at the top. It was built in 1696 and rebuilt more grandly in 1701. It has 24 cut steps, each slightly different and with a variety of textures, so that each gives a different sound when water runs over and down them.
Then we got way up here. Oh, so cool. All this water comes through here naturally, there's no pumping this through. It then flows downstream and creates the fountain.
We're walking to the maze in Chatsworth Estate.
The garden attracts about 300,000 visitors a year. It has a complex blend of features from 6 different centuries, covering 105 acres. There's a staff of some 20 full-time gardeners. Paradise.
It's like newly washed clothes that have been out on the line in the breeze. So good.
Freshest laundry you can imagine. Nature's laundry.
That's amazing. One of the most beautiful places I've ever been to.
That's your calendar shot, mate.
Wow. Incredible place.
Okay, what's the competition?
It's whoever gets to the middle of the maze first is the winner.
Oh shit.
Whoever's the last wins the first round of going to the next pub.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So does it matter which way we go? Or we start to
Whichever way you want.
The maze was planted with 1,209 yews in the center of the site of the former Great Conservatory in 1962. 2 flower gardens occupy the rest of the site.
What the fuck? Look. Dang! Where's the map at? Alright. What's up? I'm gonna Google Maps this. Yeah, I see it. There's like a monument in there. It does. I can see through it. Okay. There, we're here. Yeah, this is fucked off. Oh, I'm going this way. That's what I thought. You suck. Okay, here. Hey, follow my eye. Mark. Mark. Yeah, follow my eye. I can hear you. Yes!
Oh my god! That was so hard!
Yeah! We did it!
Nice stuff.
Oh, how did you feel about that?
That was so hard.
Actually, what made me almost fight it was see the picture.
Woo! Second one out.
Great experience. Did you feel like a mouse without the cheese? Oh, that was great. That was so much fun. Just another waterfall.
That maze was so fun. If you come here, do the maze. It's not easy, but do the maze.
Fucking paradise.
In 1842, Paxton began work on a rockery of a large scale, piling rocks weighing several tons, one on top of another.
No, I can make it. Yes! Oh, there you are. Into the cave of wonders. Oh, it's cold. This place is one of the ultimate places on this trip. Look at that.
This is one of the most magnificent places I've ever seen in my entire life. This is the definition of paradise, of royalty, of greatness.
Beyond words, this place, it's amazing. You come here for the gardens, you come here for the history, you look at what's been created by Capability Brown and people after him, and how the Chatsworth estate have now taken it on and are developing it, and you look around, every single corner is different.
Gardens, a maze, you got rock climbing areas, I mean, it's got a little bit of everything. What's up? Oh.
So what are we about to see?
I'm not going to tell you.
Give everyone a clue.
Pictures. Speak louder than words, mate. Are you ready for it? Big old bridge. Dates back from 1807. It's a viaduct that used to be a railway bridge.
Dad proposed with his wife Jackie here, right on this hill.
Haven't seen steps like this since Peru. Just got to the town of New Mills. Got a lot of beer, a lot of groceries. Going to our Airbnb, which is right down the street from the store, and it is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Keels, what are we doing?
We're cooking some burgers.
Yeah.
Beef, some
Shit, beef, and some beers.
wine.
Yeah. Got our music blasted. I only have a few seconds, so I'll give you a quick tour of me and Shawnee Boy's room. Lovely. Bathroom. Lovely. Living room. Lovely. Mark and Keel's room. Lovely. A backyard.